The magic of Christmas is not just in the twinkling lights or the sound of carols in the distance. It's in the way every room can be transformed into a warm, enchanting place that tells a story of joy and tradition. From kitchens filled with sweet gingerbread to cozy bedrooms wrapped in twinkling lights, each detail holds the power to make this holiday unforgettable. Ready to discover stunning Christmas decorating ideas that no one else has tried yet? Let's dive in together. Imagine walking into a cozy living room corner where a tall Christmas tree glows with golden ornaments, red velvet ribbons, and fairy lights twinkling like stars. Beneath the tree, neatly wrapped gifts wait patiently, each tied with satin bows, whispering secrets of excitement. The air feels warmer, filled with nostalgia and joy, making you want to sit, sip hot cocoa, and let the holiday spirit surround you. Would you choose a tree glowing in gold, or one shining with classic red? Step into the heart of the home, the kitchen, where Christmas magic takes a different shape. Garlands drape gracefully above cabinets, while gingerbread houses sit proudly on the counter, their sugar roofs sparkling like fresh snow. Red and white striped towels add cheerful pops of color, making even simple cooking feel festive. It's the kind of place where laughter mixes with the aroma of cookies baking. If this were your kitchen, would you decorate with sweets, or keep it simple with greenery? Now picture a fireplace mantel glowing with timeless elegance. Pine garlands cascade across the mantel, white stockings hang neatly, and silver baubles sparkle under the glow of soft lights. Tiny pine cones are tucked in like little treasures from a winter forest. The fireplace crackles, creating a cozy gathering spot where stories can be shared late into the night. Which would you hang above your fireplace? Classic white stockings or bright, colorful ones? Step into a bedroom wrapped in Christmas warmth, where twinkling fairy lights flow gently above the headboard, casting a magical glow. A small Christmas tree stands proudly on the nightstand, decorated with tiny ornaments that shimmer with every sparkle. Festive pillows and cozy plaid blankets turn the bed into a winter retreat. It's the kind of room where dreams of Christmas morning feel alive. Would you prefer fairy lights draped across your room, or a mini tree by your bedside? In the living room, a coffee table becomes the centerpiece of holiday cheer. Red poinsettias bloom brightly, their petals glowing against the white candles and glass holders. Miniature Christmas figurines add playful charm, creating a scene that feels like a storybook come to life. As the light flickers, the room fills with both elegance and warmth. If you had to choose, would your centerpiece be floral and bold, or soft and candlelit? Even a home office can sparkle with festive cheer. A small tabletop tree covered in delicate ornaments stands proudly on the desk, while pine garlands wrap around its edges, glowing with golden fairy lights. Work suddenly feels less like a task and more like a cozy escape into the holidays. It's proof that Christmas spirit can brighten every corner of the home. Tell me, would you rather decorate your office with a tree or just simple lights? Imagine a Scandinavian-inspired Christmas tree, standing tall in minimalistic white, covered in silver ornaments that shimmer with understated elegance. Warm fairy lights wrap gently around its branches, placed next to a cozy armchair draped in a knitted blanket. The room feels airy, calm, and beautifully simple, creating a space where Christmas whispers softly instead of shouting. Would you choose a minimalistic tree like this, or a more traditional one bursting with color? Now let's step into an unexpected place, the bathroom. Frosted pine garlands wrap elegantly around the mirror, while a holiday-scented candle glows warmly on the counter. A small poinsettia plant adds a burst of red, transforming a practical room into a festive retreat. Even the simplest routines feel special here, as though Christmas has touched every corner of the house. Would you decorate your bathroom for Christmas, or keep the magic in the main rooms only? A children's playroom bursts with joy, lit by colorful string lights dancing along the walls. A mini Christmas tree stands proudly in the corner, decorated with handmade ornaments and cheerful ribbons. Stockings hang along the toy shelf, while plush reindeer rest playfully on the floor, waiting for laughter to fill the space. It's a reminder that Christmas is made for imagination. If you had kids, would you let them decorate their own little tree? Finally, a magical bedroom for little dreamers, where a small Christmas tree glows softly beside the bed. Stockings filled with gifts hang neatly, while plush toys wait below the tree, ready for Christmas morning excitement. Twinkling lights and soft colors make the space feel like a fairy tale. It's a room where the wonder of Christmas comes alive, sparking memories that will last forever. Would you prefer this cozy setup for yourself or keep it just for the kids? And there you have it, 10 stunning Christmas decorating ideas you can try before everyone else does. From kitchens filled with gingerbread to unexpected festive bathrooms, every corner of your home can become a magical place this holiday season. Which idea would you try first? And here's a fun question for you. Do you prefer Christmas decorations in shimmering gold or classic red? Drop your answer in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us here at Bouncy for more magical inspirations.